In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Wix website. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or new to creating sites, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to make your website live on the internet. Ready for all to see. First, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website editor. If you haven't already, log into your Wix account. Once logged in, locate your desired website project and select it. This will bring you to the Wix editor interface, a powerful tool that allows you to customize every aspect of your site. It's user-friendly yet robust, making it ideal for designers of every experience level. Now you're ready to move on. Look towards the top menu of the Wix editor, where you'll find a tab labeled Site. Go ahead and click on this tab. The Site tab is your gateway to site settings, previews, and ultimately publishing. Here you'll find options that help manage how your site functions and how it is presented to the world. Clicking it will open a drop-down menu filled with various tools and settings that relate to your site as a whole. With the Site menu expanded, you'll see an option labeled Publish. This is the golden ticket to getting your site online. Click on Publish and you are taking the leap from the development environment to the live web. What happens here is truly magical. Your website transforms from a private draft into a public showcase, visible to anyone with internet access. It's crucial to ensure that everything is polished and finalized before pushing that button, but don't worry, any changes you need to make afterward can be easily managed and republished. Once you have hit Publish, Wix gives you visual confirmation that your site is now live. To see it in action and ensure everything looks just as you've designed, click on View Site. This option lets you experience your website as your visitors would. It's a good idea to navigate through the pages, check links, and see if all the images and text render correctly. This holistic view allows you to spot any last-minute tweaks needed to optimize the user experience. And there you have it, your site is officially published. This process is straightforward and quick, yet every click is a step towards sharing your creativity or business with a global audience. Remember, if at any time you want to update content or make adjustments, you can always return to the Wix editor, make your changes, and hit Publish again to refresh your live site. Happy publishing and enjoy seeing your website out there for the world to explore.